Guys, let's just taste it. Chikwado space alias mommy puff-puff. Where we live, that is what open it and see. Wow, see how delicious and crispy. Hello guys, how are you doing? Good morning from here. In today's video I'll be showing you the easy way to make party puff-puff. I'll be using this bowl because I want to do it in a big quantity, guys, and I'll be using these two bowls. And here are my vanilla sugar and my yeast. Okay, and I have 2 to 3 parts of all-purpose flour here, and I have also sugar, 2 cups of sugar here. I'll be taking the sugar. I'm not gonna use all of them. Just keep watching and see how I achieve this. And I have also here sugar, salt, rather. So keep watching. Let's just get started. All-purpose flour and pour it in a bowl. Yeah, party puff-puff used to be so hard because you have to do it in a big quantity. It's not like the one you're doing in your house. Okay, yeah, just take your time. I will add more here. This will be 1 1/4 here, 1 pack and quarter. So here is 1 pack. I will also pour the small remaining here in this one. So to add sugar. This is party puff-puff. People would like it to be sweet. Go ahead and add some sugar here. People are not eating much, so if the one you are eating in your house, you can reduce hand in adding sugar. Okay, yeah, in party something people don't eat much, they can eat one, so 1 is not much. When they 2, or they can go on and add it like 3, 4 or 1, depending on how quantity they have in the party. So I will now go ahead to turn it, and I will not forget to add my yeast. I will add this 1 packet of yeast, and I also add 1 packet of vanilla sugar. This vanilla sugar will bring the taste and the aroma. It makes the aroma to be nice when somebody is eating the puff-puff. Only the smell, only the scent will make the person to eat more. So I added another the next yeast here, and this is the vanilla sugar. I will also add the vanilla sugar in this one here. So all have gotten vanilla sugar, 1 packet of vanilla sugar and 1 sachet of vanilla sugar and 1 sachet of yeast. So we go on, and we don't forget to add our salt. Salt will also make the taste to be unique. Okay, add salt. Because it is much, that's why I added this quantity of salt, just half of the spoon. When it's only small, just a pinch of salt you need. The salt just to bring the taste to rhyme with the sugar and make the puff-puff to taste nice. My warm water near me here. Yeah, I will begin to add a little quantity and be turning and checking. You might prefer to use your hand because it is party something. I don't want to use my hand. I like to use a spatula to turn it. If the one you are eating in your house, feel free to use your hands to turn it. using hand is more easier and faster. Okay, now I'll be adding water and also be shaking it because I don't want the water to be much. When the water is much, the batter will not be okay for the puff again. Just turn it in the way you can. So keep watching, guys. Today recipe, I will give a shout out to an amazing YouTuber and an amazing subscriber. The name is Hey Cherry Hey from USA. Hey Cherry Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I thank you so much for always come to watch my video and give a lot of comments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So here I add a little more water. You can see how the batter is. I add a little more water. So I think I use this opportunity also to thank my amazing people in the house, the old subscribers in the house. Thank you so much. God bless you for your support. And I will not forget to add and to thank all the people that have been visiting my channel and returning subscribers. God bless you all. Please watch our video, watch our old videos. Give us a like. Let us know what you know, what you think about our videos by giving us comments. Comment makes us to do more. If there is any mistake you want to correct, you can go ahead in a good manner to correct us. Okay, so you can see this batter now. This is okay. This is how the consistency I'm looking for. This is how it's supposed to be. Okay, and I will set it aside. So you can see after mixing the batter, here are the consistency I'm looking for. That's how it's supposed to be. When you have this consistency of the batter, when the puff is done, it will be so fluffy and very nice. So I'll go ahead to use my waterproof to cover it because we want it to rise. And after covering it, just keep it in a 1 hour and 30 minutes thereabouts. We will begin to fry it. So keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. So here is our puff batter. I've removed the waterproof I used to cover it. I'll go ahead now to just touch it like this so that it can come down. Okay, and I'll begin to fry. This is the second one. I'll begin to fry them now, so keep watching, guys. Time to fry our puff. My pot is already on fire. In a pot, I will add my frying oil. I'll be using this. So now we will begin to fry. You can see the oil is now hot. That is how to know whether it's hot. You have to check it if it's hot. So how will you know if it is hot? You take some butter and put in the oil. So like this, you just check. You can see now, if you can check, the oil is not hot. It is not hot. You see it. It is not increasing. Just stay like that. So because of that, you are going to wait for more 5 minutes. Allow the oil to get hot before we can continue. So hope you get when it is hot and when it's not hot now. Okay, you see, it's not getting any move. it's not rising, so that's it. So let's check it now. The oil is hot now. We will begin to add. You can see now that the first one we added is now cooking. That's how to know if your oil is hot or good to add your butter. So I will go ahead to give it a little stir again before I can add. So I will go now to shake it, allow the oil to touch the other side. And so you have to be turning it. It is cooking well. We allow it to cook like 2 minutes. When it's brown, then we'll bring it out. Don't forget to add kitchen pepper in your bowl to bring it out, to reduce excess oil in the puff-puff. You see how it is? So nice, so cute, and super to taste in a taste. Wow, do you see it? So keep watching. I will now pour it here and add another one too. We are going to repeat what we did before. Just try to make the oil to touch the other side of the puff-puff, or you can turn it. Anything you can do. You can turn it, you can make the oil to touch the upside, then allow it to cook. So, but I prefer to turn it here. So that the form will look fine. The shape, it will shape very fine if you can turn it earlier. Guys, let's just taste it. Chikwado space alias mommy puff-puff. Where we live, that is what they call it. They call me sometimes because my puff-puff is so yummy. Look at it. Let's just open it and see. Wow, see how delicious and crispy. So yummy, so delicious, so crispy. You see? Enjoy yourself. Just look at it. Enjoy yourself. So crispy. So keep watching, guys. This is the final look of the party puff-puff I made in a big quantity. Hope you like it. Yeah, so this is the outcome. Looks so crispy and so yummy. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.